Hey, this is Mark Kelly, the Inbound Revenue. We're a Google Ads agency, serving agencies and direct clients. This is another video in our series about taking a look at local competition for a specific niche. In this case, we're in Atlanta, and we're looking at auto repair. So we chose 4 keywords that really generally have a lot of traction. Transmission shop near me, mobile mechanic near me, car mechanic near me, and auto mechanic near me. As you can see, there's a lot of other keywords we had used that simply didn't have any ads for them. So let's look at our schedule. We ran this for 24 hours, as we always do. There's hours with literally no ads running. Now, they are late at night, understandable, but still, again, as I've seen time and time again in Atlanta, this market is wide open. Let's take a look at the top advertisers. Actually, let's look at the search competition. There's not that many advertisers, and there's a few, as usual, owning the space. So let's look at the top advertisers. I'll sort by ad count. Really? That's it? So let's look at wrench.com. I suspect that's a national advertiser. Mobile mechanic near me. Mobile mechanics come to you. Instant quote, starter, brake repair, no offer. Interesting. Let's take a look at their landing page. Get a quote, please join the team. Okay, so that's a franchise of some sort, I would suppose. Let's take a look at the number 2 advertiser in the Atlanta area in the car repair space. Your Mechanic, again, a national advertiser. I'm pretty sure, if not a national advertiser, at least not a local. Mechanic near me, same day repair, instant quote. All makes and models, certified mechanics. Let's take a look at their landing page. Sorry, I was just looking at the ads there. Mechanics that makes house calls in over 2,000 cities. Yes, again, not a local advertiser. So this space is wide open for local advertisers. I'm going to go back and take a look at the advertisers in this space and find out how far down we have to go to find your first local. Transmission repair Atlanta. Okay, number 3 advertiser. So there's a ton of opportunity in Atlanta for auto repair, transmission repair, for Google Ads. Reach out if you have an interest in getting a campaign set up, getting yourself some leads. We also have we're now offering $99 a month landing pages with call tracking, lead tracking set up, so it'll put your conversions right back into your Google Ads account. If you have any interest in those, reach out. Thanks for checking out the video. We'll see you on the channel again.